Good morning, students. Today we will see how to insert multimedia object. Multimedia object means like how to insert audio and video files in your slide, okay, to make the presentation more interactive and lovely. To insert the audio and video file, first you have to create one presentation. Then see, in between the slide you will have this icon to insert the audio file. When you click it, then audio dialog box will appear. That is from where you want to insert the audio file. Select the audio file where you save it. Then if suppose this icon is not shown in your slide, then from the insert menu also you can insert the audio file. From insert menu at the right corner you will see two options are given there. First is media and the second one is sound. Media is used to insert the video file and sound is used to insert the audio file, okay. So first you click the media option, then insert movie dialog box will appear in front of you. Then select the location where your movie file is saved, then click OK. Then one Microsoft Office PowerPoint dialog box will appear in front of you. It will ask that you want to run the movie file automatically or when clicked. When clicked means when you will click, then the video will play, or automatically means when you will run the slide, then the video will play automatically. So here I am selecting automatically, okay. So video will play automatically. See students, when you insert the video, then at the top in the ribbon you will see two options will appear in front of you. That is the picture tool and movie tool. In movie tool, option menu will appear in front of you. In option menu you can resize the movie clip, you can change the size of movie clip, or you can adjust according to you. Then from the option button you can see here it is visible or not. From the option button you can set the volume, or you can see the preview of the video. See, when you click the preview, then the video will start running. Or the second one is slideshow volume, okay. So from slideshow volume you can set the volume low, medium, high and mute. If you want to mute the volume of video, you can do here, or you can set the volume as you want, okay. Now if you want to see how this will execute, then just see students, one more thing. From here you can set the automatically also, okay. So just you click the slideshow option, then you will see this is the previous slide, and then just after the video file will execute automatically as I selected to run the video file automatically, and this way you can insert the video file. Now see how to insert or how to add animation effect in PowerPoint, okay. So to add the animation effect, first you need to click the animation tab. When you click the animation tab, then click custom animation. The custom animation pane appear in front of you. Then click the add effect. From here you can see here you are having multiple of effects to add, okay. So select the text in which you want to add the effect, then click the add effect button. Then whatever effect you want, like I have selected more option. In more option, multiple options are given. From any any one option you can select for your text, like appear, box, circle, diamond, different types of options are given there. So when you click, it will show like a 1. So first effect is added, okay. Now see the start. Start means what? On click you want to run the effect, or automatically you want, then speed is speed. You can change the speed like the slow, medium, as how you want to run the effect. Then see students, then the slideshow. Okay, now from slideshow you can see how it will run. So click the slideshow from beginning and then see how it will execute, or you can run from the current slide also, that is the slide which is selected from there. So from beginning we are executing this one. So now from right click and end show, you can end the transaction, that slideshow also. Okay, so this way you can. Now to see the last one is how to insert transition effect. See students, transition apply in the slide and animation apply in the content of the slide. That means that text and picture and image whatever we inserted in the slide na, if we want to add effect in them, that time we will use animation. And if we want to apply the effect on each slide, that time we use what? Transition. Okay, so here we will see how to insert or how to apply slide transition effect. For that, what you will do first, see this way the slide is moving now, this way we can insert the slide transition effect. To insert the slide transition effect, first you click on transition. First you need to click on the animation tab. Okay, from the ribbon select the animation menu. From animation menu you will see that there are different types of transition, slide transition effects are given. Okay, if you will click just you click one by one and you will see the effect on the slide also. The first one is no transition. After that you are having multiple transition like the fades and dissociative. So you are having multiple types of transition. Any one you can any one transition you can select for your slides. Okay, like push and cover, this way its effect is this way. See, you click and you will see the backside, you will see the effect of the transition. So you can first you need to select a slide, one slide, two slide, or you can select the all slides also. Okay, so just you select the slide, just like I have selected this slide. Then after selecting the slide, then same way click the animation menu, then click on transition and apply transition that you want. Okay, then see the any transition apply on the slides and the animation apply on the contents of the slide. Okay, so when you click here a particular transition, see here how it is working. So this transition is applied here, this one, and when you select this one, see how it will work. Okay, see, it will look like this. Then the next is, this is the animation, not the transition, this is the animation which I have applied in the image. Then click apply to all, then the same transition will apply in each slide. Each slide will that after the previous slide, the next slide will come with the same transition effect, and the inside the slide the text will come with the animation that you have applied for each text. From here you can see the slides, how many slides you have created. And if you want to change the any transition effect with any particular slide, from here you can do. That is the speed of transition you can change, that fast, medium or slow. If you want that your next slide will come very fast or come with slow, then from there you can do that. See here, So this way you can apply the transition effect in your slide. See how it looks. You can choose the different transition effect also. Okay, so hope you understand all that. And then transition speed also you can change, and if you click apply all, then the same correction or whatever you have changed, the speed slow or fast, will be applied in each slide. So now here your lesson, that is what PowerPoint, MS Office PowerPoint finished here. Okay, and you will get the question answer in WhatsApp. Write down properly. Then in our next class we will start the next chapter. So here is the preview.